Cash on cash return takes into account the fact that investors typically use part down payment and part loan in order to buy a piece of real estate. So cash on cash return really tells us the return on investment to the investor after accounting for leverage. Let's take a look at the formula and then we'll work through it and see how it's related. Cash on cash return, often expressed as C over C, is simply our net cash flow after debt service divided by the down payment. We arrive at this formula by extrapolating it from another formula. So let's take a look at it. It's actually our net operating income minus our debt service over our value or purchase price minus our loan amount. So imagine here we have an $80,000 of net operating income and we have $45,000 in annual debt service. That gives us $35,000 of net cash flow. If our purchase price was $1 million and we leveraged $750,000 of that, then our down payment would be $250,000. So our net cash flow divided by our down payment would equal approximately 14%. This has been an overview of cash on cash return. Thanks for watching.